So look at this video. What do you see in this video? Let me play it again for you all. What do you think what can be the diagnosis? The question is you have to see the diagnosis. So what do you think in this patient we are looking at? Is it a hypotropia, eyes down? Or do you think there is some problem in the lids? Is it an ectropion? Or is it a keratoconus? Or there is some nystagmus in this patient? So what do you think is the diagnosis? I think it's very simple, isn't it? This child, let us look at this video again. This child is asked to look down, and what you are looking at is a, can you see this arrow? You are looking at is V-shaped deformity of lower lid. And what is this V-shaped deformity of lower lid? Known as, all of you? Yes, this is what is Munson sign. Munson sign is a feature of keratoconus. So what is our answer? We will answer keratoconus. Hypotropia, of course, then the patient first you will see in the primary gaze, the eye should be down. That is hypotropia. And here it is almost very obvious that we are asking the patient to look down. Of course, this cannot be a lid condition. The lid position looks all normal in this video, right? And of course, the nystagmus is involuntary to and fro movement, but was there any to and fro movement, or is this child only looking down? So all the other things we have to keep in mind. So let's also keep in mind that when you're talking about keratoconus, so keratoconus, there are many signs. What are the signs you have learned? I hope you remember that first of all, of course, is this is called Munson sign. Let's note it down. This V-shaped deformity of lower lid, this is called Munson sign. And very quickly, let me remind you, Flesher's ring, that is iron deposition, which is seen on the cornea at the base of the cornea in a conical cornea, isn't it? What else you have learned? Do you all remember the oil droplet reflex, which was seen in distant direct ophthalmoscopy? So I would like you all to kindly revise all these signs of keratoconus. So here we are talking about Munson sign, right?